Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Ukonrat Sangma uloong ba umpat kwa bankren AA ha kabayday bat ka uniform civil code hadu ba undayo iya ka draft. Watla ulamenjur ba kadon ka jingpensuk kindiat da ka baong bakaan jong ka UCC ha Uttarakhand bat Assam kilabu syarut bat klem kentop iya kiriulum ha kanikaan. Ukonrat Sangma uloong bahakipor kibaladep tang kaktien kadon na katakadaw kasyong ba iway pa iway ban batay bat mudur bat ong ba ka UCC kalong da kumni kumtay. Menteri Rangba Kajela uloong ba kani kajing persya nadu basdang kawanra ya kajing ting ya kiriulum habayaday bat kariti kadustur. Ha kapor badang sedang habangi pet ya ka UCC kadang ya chakmat. Habaki pat ba kikli ya Menteri Rangba Kajela ulay thu ba ujuong ba ka UCC kamla bantray kam haki jaka riulum na markian kia pher. Menta haba ka UCC kapanlong an ha Assam bat Uttarakhand badda kabashay kiloong ba kani kaan lapelat ya kiriulum kani klashay bat kapher ha kitukipor. Ulaban rap ba ka Meghalaya kan pet bat Pule Bniah Shuwa ya Kino ki Jingtyrwa.
Very clear on UCC from one perspective, and that perspective has been that I cannot comment on a UCC if I don't see the format of the UCC. So UCC is a word, Universal Civil Code. Now what does that Universal Civil Code mean, and what are the codes that will be universal? That is what I needed to see, and at that point in time it was only the word that was there in front of me. And therefore, it could be left to anybody's imagination to say that a UCC could be like this, UCC could be like this. So now that we have seen the context of it and how the UCCs are coming out in different states, I'm slightly more at comfort, because if you look at the UCC in Uttarakhand or whether it's in Assam, they're not touching tribal laws. You see, so in the beginning when we had looked at the UCC, it was a thought process. So when people asked me about UCC at that point, I said, no, you cannot have a UCC because we are tribals and our tribal laws are different. So how can you have a UCC for us? So suddenly now the UCC comes out from Assam and from Uttarakhand, and they clearly mention out here that tribal laws are exempted. So obviously it's a different thing then. So when that kind of situation comes in, but still of course we have to study things carefully. We would like to see the details of it. Though it's a different state and it's their law and they've made the law, that's fine. But I'm just from a pure political question that you're asking me, that we will definitely read it and examine it. But at least the basic part that concerned us to some extent was that we were worried that our matrilineal system, which is there, tomorrow will be changed, and a national law will come in that will completely change the way the tribals in our state follow matrilineal system. These are the things that bothered us. But then once we started seeing the different laws being passed, we could see that they were at least at least in paper we could see that the tribal rights were being protected in one way. But we'll have to see the whole thing before we can make a full comment.